to my channel, and today I'm going to be opening a bronze whistle. So, yeah. By the way, if you want me to keep posting Roblox content, make sure to comment that down below in the comment section, because I've been posting a lot of Roblox lately, and I don't know if you guys want to see more Horse Riding Tales or more Roblox. So, yeah. But anyways, let's open the whistle. Because I'm getting it from the daily rewards. I could technically buy a whistle, but I don't really want to right now. I don't want to use my gems. So we're going to buy this right there. Well, we're going to get it, not buy it, but yeah. So we're going to... I'm scared. Oh, it's an epic. That's good. This is definitely an interesting horse. I definitely wasn't expecting it, but he's actually really pretty. Okay, we're gonna put him to the stable. Oh, no. Okay, what should we name him, guys? I don't know what to name him. Should I name him Star? Oh. Well, I guess I'm naming him Star then, because it just made it be Star. So, yeah. Okay. Wait, he's so cute. He's actually really adorable. Oh my gosh. So cool. Well, like, I don't know. I wasn't expecting him, but he's actually really cute. So, yeah. Okay, well, here's some quick clips of me riding him. So, yeah, enjoy them. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope to see you next time. Bye!